Hello, my friend. Today we'll be reading a book about dogs, and we will be going over the sound of D, the D sound. I love dogs, so I'm very excited about this book. All right, let's read. Dogs, the sound of D. And here we have some cute dogs right on the front. This one looks like my dog. All right, let's get into this book. This book is by Alice Flanagan. Some dogs run after balls. Yes, they do, like this one here. Some dogs come when they are called. So it looks like this dog hears his or her name, and it's coming. Some dogs dig in the sand. So we have two words here that start with the letter D. We have dogs and we have dig. Great job. And that's what this dog is doing. Having a great time. Some dogs take baths in a tub. And he's getting a nice bath. I see lots of water. This dog is having a great time. Some dogs walk on two legs. Have you ever seen that before? Nice. Some dogs jump and some can beg. Dogs are so smart. Some dogs nap on a rug. Wow, looks relaxing. Some dogs get lots of hugs. Oh, this dog is getting some great hugs. If you have a dog, I'm sure you enjoy hugging your dog. Some dogs help us if they can. Yes, they do. Wow. This dog is being very, very helpful. Yeah, there's all kind of helpful dogs. One of them that I can think of is a guide dog. They help those who are visually impaired or hard of hearing. Dogs can be our best friends. Yes, they can, certainly. Look like he's telling his dog something very important. Awesome job. So for our word list, we have dig and dogs. Can you think of maybe one or two other words that start with the letter D? Yeah. We have do. I can think of donuts. There's so many words that start with the letter D. Well, I've enjoyed this book and seeing all of the cute dogs. Thank you, my friend, for supplementing your reading time. Thank you, parents. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.